Well, over 100,000 assets have been registered by the Bank of Ghana's Collateral Registry since it was launched in 2010. The registry, which is the first of its kind in Africa, is designed to facilitate access to credit, especially for small and medium-sized enterprises. To hear more about how the project is working, joining me on the line is Mike Opong Odusa. He's the head of the Bank of Ghana's Collateral Registry. Mike, thank you very much for joining us. And it's important. I think it would be a good place to start to get a sense of how successful this project has been. Like I noted earlier, it is the first of its kind in Africa. Can you just talk us through the early success stories here?
Well, I think as a background, I'll say that as a country like Ghana, at a certain point in time, you need some reforms to address certain concerns in your economy. So, we actually targeted the credit delivery system that we had in Ghana, and there was a need to address some of the concerns in that area. Because, for instance, while borrowers were complaining, lenders too were also complaining. Borrowers were complaining about high interest rates, and if you give credit to borrowers, it was not possible to retrieve it when there was a default. So Bank of Ghana took it upon itself and met with some stakeholders. So through that collaboration, we had this Borrowers and Lenders Act.
All right, but how successful has it been? What has been the impact on lending, particularly to small businesses?
Well, certainly, we started operations on the 1st of February 2010. Since that time, there has been a lot of successes. In the area of registration, basically the Collateral Registry is supposed to register. And in the area of registration, so far, we've registered about 50,000 targets. And we also provide a platform for lenders to search on our system. Because if you're a lender and you want to give credit, it's important that you search on our system to find out whether the collateral that that person is presenting is incumbent or not. So in that area, it's been a success. The other area is that in the Borrowers and Lenders Act, which sets out the Collateral Registry, you are not obliged to go to court. When a borrower defaults, you are supposed to follow some processes. Give 30 days notice to the borrower. After the 30 days notice, if the borrower doesn't respond, you are at liberty to sell the property and retrieve whatever monies that you give to the borrower. So you need not necessarily go to court.
Okay, clearly SMEs in Ghana and, of course, the rest of Africa are in dire need of credit. It's a big challenge for most countries. What else is the Bank of Ghana doing to try and address this? In Nigeria, for instance, we do have a special intervention fund created by the central bank to get monies to the SMEs. Are there any other such initiatives in Ghana?
No, that is you are talking of you are talking from the area of granting credit to SME.
That's right.
Responsibility which is laid on the lenders, that's the banks. Most of the banks here have special interest in the SMEs, and in some of their banking operations, they have allotted some amount of money for SME banking. So SME funding has been addressed by the bank. So far, we have about 26 banks, and all these banks have units which address SME concerns as well as finance is concerned.
Right. Of course, the Collateral Registry is only one part of the puzzle, if you like. A lot of people will expect that the registration, a credit bureau or something of the sort is something that could take this to the next level. Is this something that is being proposed in the Ghana market as well?
Look, the Collateral Registry basically is charged with the collaterals that these borrowers offer to lenders when they want facilities from these banks. It's some sort of collateral so that in case that borrower defaults, then that lender can fall on that particular collateral to retrieve his money. Hitherto, there was nothing like that. And one interesting thing about the Collateral Registry is that it registers both movables and immovables. And you know that in finance, most of these banks are interested in immovable property. But some of these, they don't have these immovable properties. What they have is their stocks, their business assets, which are mostly movable.
Right.
And this is the area that they have really been interested in. Well, you can offer any of your movables to obtain credit from any of the banks that we have in this country. So it's a plus in that area, and we are encouraging SMEs to really approach their bankers with any movable to take a credit from any of them.